Hi guys, this is Technology Technical Engineering Service with air conditioner for refrigerator. I am Tanjit Hussain from Bangladesh, now KSA, Kingdom Saudi Arabia. This properly checked, now start. Then condenser, evaporator, all ice. Why ice? I check this. For example, cooling overload not working, because cooling overload that's working no have ice. And then second time heater not working, heater always working have ice. And then fan motor working, now inside is block. And diff okay, then normal second door, not air how